approached you
later, was just like, hey, he didn't really say like, he just like, hey, you're this, you're this, you're this. I'm like, okay.
No, yeah, I'm not gonna lie. They came to me. He's like, hey, we brought Ashley, and I'm like, the fuck's Ashley again?
Thanks.
You come up to
Yeah.
No,
listen, you're in Strom.
I got you and Sarah, you and Ash were like, at first I couldn't.
I couldn't see Peely. I couldn't tell them apart.
so fucked. We don't
Literally,
look alike at
I
all.
still can't. I'm like, what's that one's name?
Glasses, no glasses. Glasses.
Well, now
no
I got
glasses.
it.
Well, sometimes glasses.
Did anyone else take 3 days to learn Neha's name?
Just based on it.
First week I was like, yeah, I'm Bruno. I put him up like when we were all HOH.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I told him to. I did.
I
I didn't talk to him.
Yeah, you look sketchy.
Do you guys know
I
that?
thought it was pretty consistent, but I bet
I don't.
it was more varied than we think.
You and Risha, I had not said
You know how
one
I
word.
got
I don't.
Mine were
Mine was
Risha,
Cindy and Risha.
Cindy.
I hit
I
it
said
all.
the tall girl, and I knew your name though.
Willow put
Of
me
course you
up.
knew my name.
Really?
Did you?
You saw me and you were like, oh,
No way.
Yeah.
And you're like, I'm not gonna forget that guy.
I was like, I'm not putting Rish up because
But
he's
you know,
obviously I don't
you know what
want
tripped
the
me out?
obvious
Because my
one.
brother and
This
his
was,
wife.
Yeah.
Yeah, right out of the bat, we're
I
also
lost my water bottle again.
Yeah.
You could tell, they're like, oh yeah.
It was nuts.
That's so crazy.
What
So
the?
funny. It was a, what a crazy way to kick
Bruno,
it
if
off.
you're drinking all that, you're refilling it, honey. Every time I go to get my water bottle, I'm like, why is it empty?
That's so funny.
Is this one and this one?
My water bottle, she says.
I feel like you're using both of them these days.
I haven't used Willow in 2 weeks now,
Interesting.
but I did use Kevin's today, and I was like, Kevin has water? Great.
Yeah, I found it. I found it.
Yeah, where was it? It was in the washing
In
machine.
the laundry basket.
You can drink it.
Yeah, that's really
Oh.
I just ate myself sick.
Dude.
Wouldn't be a birthday if I didn't do it.
Anybody look?
You three.
You
That was pretty, it
never
could have been close, man. 3 out of 16.
You want
Sarah, I
more?
think I was the only.
It looks like mustard.
Yeah, and if any of the evicted ones.
Yeah.
Ew.
Could've been close. I'm tired. I was almost.
Guess we'll see.
I was almost
I
positive.
see
it
any
would've
of you
been-
motherfuckers
I
say
was almost
Willow, I'm
positive.
kill
No,
you.
I'm
As soon as I heard that,
I'm like, I nominate Bobby. And she's like, can you give a reason?
Sarah,
I'm like, he's strong and he's good at comms. They're like, you must nominate another person
What
now.
was my reason?
And like, that's,
Interesting.
I was like freaking stalky. I'm like, okay, the names I remember is freaking Bruno. Because I was talking to you the whole time. Greg, I was talking to him the whole
I
time.
had to pull it out.
I'm like, what the?
I used
I'm
the
know,
like,
pathetic.
Peely? Laugh?
Like, I knew,
I said
and
that one,
then you could
she's
hear the
like,
crowd,
yeah.
and it was just like,
The older, really tall lady.
The older, really
Kevin
tall.
has a cheat sheet
What was
below.
your
I'm like,
reason?
okay.
Did that cheat sheet have like pictures?
Stop talking about my show.
okay, we're good.
Is that us?
Can you tell me your reasoning?
Oh boy.
No,
so
it's
funny.
the people next door, Bobby.
I said I knew.
Is
I
that
knew
the
that those two
HOH conversation or the other one?
That's freaking funny, man.
That's smart.
And they were like, this girl's so smart.
We've been talking about it for the last hour.
Who's ready
Yeah,
for
first
bed?
HOH didn't mean
I'm
anything.
tired, man.
Willow?
I need to go to bed. I'm ready for a real bed, by the way.
Up
So.
there. Yeah, exactly. I just want to lie in a bed. You know,
We're all gonna sleep.
So everything good? I lost weight, guys.
Really?
You did?
How much?
Only
You don't have like
only
any
3
weight to
pounds.
lose, Willow.
That's not good.
Exactly.
Well, it told me I was 149 one time.
Which one is mine? I'm a little confused.
So happy.
Interesting.
We're gonna get it up to 130.
I haven't been that in so long. I'd be so happy.
So it's got.
Look at this.
Yeah, there is.
I love it. It's so cute.
That's a beautiful
Have you
sight
come yet?
after slop.
I'm so happy.
Nah, Cindy nominated Peely and Rich.
I'm gonna take this one.
Oh yeah, she told us that.
Yeah.
She just never liked Peely.
She never. She nominated me and who?
Rish. What was I gonna say? Did you get your period yet?
Oh, you know.
It's gonna go. It's gone. I think it just left.
Have you ever?
Because if you take a bunch of, I didn't see it.
Pass?
Force your period.
Did you take a pregnancy test?
Yes, Bobby.
Positive or negative?
Inconclusive. Gonna have to try again.
Is that weird?
Yeah.
Yeah. I used it the one time, and after I used it, my teeth felt sensitive.
I'm gonna ask you brother tomorrow for Pickers. Watch Pickers? You ever watch Canadian Pickers? Love it. I love those guys. They're from Calgary. Or like their shop where they keep their stuff is in Inglewood.
Really?
Yeah. Did you ever pick your belly button?
Or
Scott find that disgusting.
Really?
Not like that, like the
B, well,
song.
Mine's really high. Aaron knows how high it is. My clutch is down here.
I can ask her.
No.
I can ask her.
No.
And we're gonna get
Like
more
the
soon.
song.
Oh, we are?
Yeah, we're
Like,
gonna
can we
ask.
request them?
Yeah.
I'll run it by her.
How, like, do you see that?
No.
My belly button.
Very happily married B.
No.
Mine's
Put it against
Oh,
you.
yours is
I
high
just love
too.
my wife. That's all.
Can you tell Willow that? It's not me.
I don't think she's saying
You got
that.
that in my fist, didn't you?
I honestly.
He owns a surrounding drinks, y'all.
His ass is so hairy.
He's just proving us wrong.
Well, like the inner.
I
can't believe you did that. I've never seen
Willow
it like
just has
that.
no filter.
That doesn't count.
100%. Like, you don't have to worry about that. 100%.
You didn't have a good sleep last time. Are you feeling okay?
Yeah. Don't be offended if I sleep off. I'll be back.
Is this one of
Like,
your
if I'm
girls?
not sleeping, I'll just sleep.
Because it's something I did.
Then I start.
Is that yours?
No, it was just hot.
I think it's
And when I,
Bees?
Yeah, I feel like it is.
when I'm in bed with someone else, I get self-conscious. Like I go to the couch.
Crush these kids. The veto could be a double or something. Oh, that's gonna be big, isn't it?
Well, maybe I can do something.
Maybe I can do something.
I just like it when it's
I'm gonna stay. It's gonna be fine. We're gonna sleep. I'm gonna put shorts on though. That'll help.
You
It
can
won't
just,
get so hot.
we can only have one blanket if you want. It gets really cold.
Do you have a waffle blanket there?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
it gets really cold.
I'm not gonna go.
Oh, I don't care.
I was just saying, just in case.